Hello and welcome to the Opal shop. Here we have a very large specimen from field unknown. Rules is in millimeters. As you can see, it's almost the size of the whole rule. It's very large, but the thing with this piece is that visibly you can see the whole opal faces on the top. So here it is, the big piece of facing. Got a bit of shine to it, not quite a lot. It's just some of the corners you can see it's more visible than the others. This one's gonna be quite hard to actually take a nice good full picture of it. Color bars on the side, you can see lovely greens and blues hues. These are blues and greens. It's mostly on one of the sides. Now there could be a chance that if you break this rock, this boulder all over, could have more faces of opal coming through us. I'm not quite sure, it could be a surprise, but at least we know that gonna have a lot to work with in this large piece, and it's low grade but in a good price, but this large size makes it a lot easier to practice, and there's quite a nice chunk of opal in here that you can use. So that is it for our large Boulder Opal. I hope you've enjoyed. Have a good one.